Hey guys, back in my studio again. Been busy. Um, it's been a really great year with collaborations and recordings and all of my YouTube channels and businesses that I've been working on and ideas. And something that was really insignificant at the beginning of the year has become really significant now. I have my iPhone that I use for just about everything, and these earpods, and I'm always out and about on phone calls, researching, connecting with other YouTubers, people who are in my motorcycle mod group and my gadgeteer review groups. And when I first got this phone, and even the earpods, the battery seemed amazing, and I had forgotten completely about the idea of having a power bank, thing of the past, right? Why walk around with one? Until recently I realized that I use so much, my phone has so many pages of apps that I use, and the amount of time I spend on the phone and on the go, the battery, as good as it is, and as good as the batteries are in these AirPods, just not enough. It was time to realize that I need a power bank again. So what do? Along comes this. And I'm so happy to bring this to you. This is the EcoFlow RAPID Mag Power Bank. It has a built-in USB-C cable. It is 36 watts built-in USB-C cable, 10,000 milliamp hours capacity, 25 watt fast wireless charging, Qi2.2 certified, and it has an adjustable kickstand. So EcoFlow was kind enough to send it over for me to take it through the paces and check it out. There is no obligation to give it a good or bad review. I will give it the review it deserves. So hang in for a moment. I'm gonna unbox it. Let me do that for you right now while we're sort of having a chat with each other. I do need to charge it up. This is in the box, brand new, as you can see. I'm taking the tape off, so there's no question as to whether I'm opening it in front of you. Just to see what comes inside, what it looks like to get an initial peek. Oh, it's got a pull handle. So it has a pull handle out of the box, and this is what you get. You can see the QI wireless charging circle on the top is indicative of wireless charging. Let's get the box opened. I never do things the conventional way. I don't like Frank Sinatra, I did it my way. So of course I drop things. So let's see what we have. We have the EcoFlow warranty service. You have the EcoFlow user manual. It's small, tiny writing, so I won't attempt to read it without glasses. We have the device. Nice, small, sleek. It's got a nice flat matte surface. Do see a bit of fingerprints on it, but that won't matter, right? Because it's for charging. Here's a wireless charging pad. On the side, it's got a USB-C port. On the back, it's got what I believe would be the kickstand. And of course, I have no idea how to take it out, but we're going to figure that out one way or the other. Well, that's interesting. That's the front. So I press the button at the bottom here, and this lit up showing it has 21% charge on it. I know they said kickstand, and as I said again, I haven't paid attention to how that works. So let's see. Let's see if it actually does have a kickstand. It says it does at the back, and yes, I think I'm looking at the right thing. This ring around here, there you go. This ring around here pulls out, and you have a kickstand. And I'm assuming that my phone has a really thick case, but I guess at the right angle. There you go. So my phone is on it. The phone is standing. You don't see me touching it. It is, magnetic, of course. And when you press the button and you hold it long enough, you get a full display screen that says 21%. It says Qi2 charging, and you can't see it, I'm sure, but the phone is charging. Let me see right here. You might still can't see it, but the phone is charging right now. This is very convenient because, you know, a lot of times you want to have your battery charging, you want it to stand up, and a lot of these stands don't work. It feels sturdy, very sturdy, that'll work. It connects. I'll take the risk of holding my phone like this to show you that it won't fall. And then it's got this cable, right? And the beauty about this cable, let me take the stand back out. The beauty about this cable is it's sort of has its own connector here. I was about to say it's magnetic, but it's its own connector. And I can plug it out, and I can plug in my AirPods at the same time. And I don't know if you can see that, but you heard it blink, and there you go. If you can see that green light, the AirPods are charging. So my phone is on it, and the AirPods are charging. Let's see this here. The phone is charging. The AirPods are charging. I wanted to make sure that works. So both are charging at the same time. So what I'm going to do, you think you've seen everything? Not really. I'm going to take it through its paces. I'm going to charge it fully, and then I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts. So since I'll add that video to this one, I'll just be a few seconds. So stand by for a moment. Hey folks, so I'm back after testing out this EcoFlow RAPID Mag Qi2.2 magnetic power bank. Here are my final thoughts. It is well built, well built. I honestly think that if it falls, it probably will not break. I love the kickstand. It feels like metal. This is metal. This is not a plasticky thing that will fall. It has a USB-C port on it, but what I love about this is here is how you have what looks like a hang strap, and it could hold it as a hang strap, but it's actually, when you pull it out of this rubber casing, it's a USB-C cable that's in out. So you can plug this into a AC adapter or a USB-C charger and recharge the power bank, or you can plug in your AirPods or whatever to this and have them recharge. I love the bi-directional port, and as I said, it clips in here strong enough that I can hold it. It's not going to fall. I think I showed you before. It charges my phone very, very fast. But I think I showed you before, I have a heavy case on here. That's probably not the best case that's conducive. You can see as soon as I touch it charged, and I can do this, and the phone will not fall. Okay, it is a strong magnetic pull. I love EcoFlow products. My entire home has them all around. Again, being a fan of EcoFlow, this is an honest review. I had stopped taking power banks with me, but to me, this is a winner. For the two things I carry, my AirPods, my Apple AirPods that I can charge here, my iPhone, sometimes my OnePlus 13 that I can also charge. You can see it came on, it started charging. There you go, and this charged very quickly as well. This has fast wireless charging. You can get this in black or white right now on the EcoFlow website. I'm looking at my computer. It retails at $99.99, but right now you can get it for $30 off at $69.99 on the early bird special. It has 9 more days left on the early bird special. Today is the 22nd of December 2025, so it's going to the end of the year, and they're throwing in a free 240 watt cable along with it if you purchase it now. So the EcoFlow RAPID Mag Qi2.2 magnetic power bank, 10,000 milliamp hours, 25 watt built-in, 25 watt wireless charging, built-in USB-C cable, kickstand, well-made LED on the front showing your charge level, recharges. Even I have a fast charger that I plugged it in and recharged very quickly. Yes, it does get smudges from your hand. That's the only complaint. It doesn't stay nice and black. It's just smudged all over. Doesn't affect the performance. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Grab you one for the early Christmas gift, or the ecoholic, like I call myself, that you know this will be handy. And in a day and age where, if you're like me and you're always seeking to have a charge, have your phone charged, on the go all the time, don't get a chance to charge your phone when you stop sometimes, here's the answer. Catch you in the next video.